Back to your middle or high school years. How did you stay connected? A landline, a handwritten note, a novel from your local library, or a board game? That has changed. Today, our students carry their entire social world in their pockets. Hi, my name is Cleon, and today I'll be discussing the role technology plays in adolescent development, how it impacts students' sense of interconnectedness and physical development, and how educators can ensure technology is used safely, ethically, and responsibly in our school. Technology has become a major part of adolescents' daily life. Students use technology to communicate, to socialize, to learn, and to express themselves. Platforms such as Google, Classrooms, YouTube, educational apps, and social media creates opportunity for students to feel connected to peers, teachers, and the world around them, according to Greenhalgh and Gavin 2020. This sense of interconnectedness can positively impact learning because students are able to collaborate, share ideas, and access the information instantly. For example, technology allows scholars to participate in virtual discussion groups such as projects, and interactive learning experiences. Educational tools that we use in our classroom today, such as Kahoots, Nearpods, IXL, Progress Learning, quizzes. These tools increases engagement and encourages collaboration among students. Technology can also support students who may struggle in traditional classrooms, providing visual support, audio tools, and differentiated instructions. However, technology also impacts adolescents' physical development. Excessive screen time can contribute to sleep disruptions, eye strains, poor postures, and reduced physical activities. Adolescents are still developing physically and neurologically, so overuse of these technologies may also affect attention spans, emotional regulations, and decision making, according to Sherman and others, 2018. Research showed that adolescents' brain is highly sensitive towards social feedback, which explains why students become more heavily attracted to social media, likes, and other social platforms. At the same time, technology can positively support physical development when used intentionally. Fitness trackers, movement-based learning games, and wellness platforms can encourage exercise, mindfulness, and healthy habits. This is also another quote from Goodyear and others, 2021. In schools today, teachers can incorporate brain breaks, movement activities, and interactive simulation that combines technology with interactive learning instead of passive screen times. As educators, it is extremely important to ensure that the technologies are used safely, ethically, and in a responsible way. Students must learn digital citizenship skills, including respect, communication, protecting personal information, identifying misinformation, and use technologies appropriately. Teachers should establish clear expectations when using these devices and model behavior outcomes. One technology tool I use in my classroom is Google Classroom. Google Classroom allows teachers to organize assignments, provide feedbacks, and communicate with scholars efficiently. To ensure a safe and ethical environment, I would first establish classroom norms by outlining expected behavioral expectations. I would teach scholars about protecting passwords, avoiding inappropriate comments, and citing sources properly to prevent plagiarism. I would also monitor my students' activity closely. Technology is a powerful tool when used intentionally and responsibly. It can strengthen collaboration, encourage engagement, and access learning opportunity while supporting students' growth and development. However, as educators, we must maintain awareness of the challenges associated with technology, use and actively teach students how to use and engage with digital tools safely and ethically. In closing, our students' brains are wired to connection. By integrating technology safely, we aren't just teaching curriculum, we are building them through these transformative years. Let's build that bridge together.